There's something weird going on now. Superstition. Ah! Oh! Foghorns drown. It looks really cool. It's definitely my type of game. You guys know me. I love these old like PS2 graphics. You're a ferryman in Birchwood, a remote village isolated beyond a lake veiled in thick fog. Mysteries and folklore haunt your dreams in a narrative-driven psychological horror game. I don't know. I saw this on, I think Next Fest? I think. And it just looks up my alley, dude. I don't know. So we're gonna play it. Hello? Hello? There you go. Ba 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 ba. Oh, okay. Oh man. It's demo night. It's demo night. Demo spooky night. Demo. This is like my favorite part of the night, dude. I love demos. I love playing demos. Oh, because they get me hyped up, man. They get me hyped up. Let's see. Yep. We're gonna turn that bad boy on. Gameplay. Oh, we're gonna turn this down. All right. Welcome! Oh, wait, 1 sec. Gotta turn that off. Alright, yo, welcome to Foghorns Drown Demo! Yo, Belmont! I see you with the Castlevania name. Thanks for the follow. Jabs that site, I got my gamer subs. Ooh! Goof juice, good, sweet, 6-packs, chug. Oh, wait, how do you like the goof juice? I haven't had that one yet. Wait, my favorite games? Dude, Castlevania. I've never played the games, but I've watched the anime. Hella good. Hella good, man. Hella good. Alright. Yo, I'm ready to get into the demo. I'm excited. This looks really good. Let's go. Also, let me know if the volume's good. Oh, do I do something? Oh. Can I... Oh, I can't even look around? Okay. Okay, it's okay. Let's not waste it. Chad, I'm scared. Can I... Oh. Oh, it was my A. Okay, Discord. Wait, can I not look around? What? Why can't I look around? Hello? Mouse? I'm... Okay. Okay, I can jump. I guess we... Chat, I can't move. My mouse doesn't work. Okay, hang on. Okay, okay, my mouse is working. My mouse is working. What the fuck? Hello? Okay, my mouse. You see my mouse? You see my mouse? Come on. Chat. My mouse isn't working. Do I need a controller? Like, what do I need? Do I need a controller? It doesn't work with a controller. Oh, okay. I don't know what to do. Maybe I gotta turn this up. Oh, there we go! There we go! Okay. Let's go, baby. Oh, F-E-T? Oh, there we go! Light it! Oh, yeah. What? The chain is stubborn tonight. Huh? What the fuck was that? The fog is restless. Chat, that was a big old fish. The air smells like tar. Okay. Oh. Dear colleague, how much coffee do you drink? We're on our last bag. Please use this one spoonful when you brew a cup. You don't know when the Citadel will send more. Thomas. P.S. I found the axe in the forest. Make sure no one steals it again. Oh, okay. Oh, shit. I didn't mean to click that. Ah! Okay. There you go. Oh, put the fire in the... Yep. Put the wood in the fire. Yep. Ooh! Put it back. Okay. Oh, wait, what's that? Mass will be held again on Sunday, noon at the Birchwood Church. Due to Father Adam's illnesses, Mass will be held by layman Jeremiah. All Birchwood residents are invited. Let us pray for Father Adam's health. Chat. Do you think Father Admin, do you think he's actually sick? I don't think so. I don't think he's actually sick. I bet he got poisoned. Ooh, matches. Open inventory. Nice. Use item. Let's make some coffee. Oh, wow, I'm gonna be drinking my coffee right now. Oh. That was just Larry. God damn it, Larry. Yo, I got my cup. Ooh, cheers. What a beautiful day. What's this? Birchwood Ferry Operator Manual. Turn the hand crank to Am I on a boat? Use a signal knob located on your station to sound the foghorn. What? This will signal the operator on the opposite... Okay. I don't need to read that. I'm fine. Chat! Quit! I don't need to read. This is a terrible day. A puppy! A puppy! My hands are full. Drop the fucking coffee! Son of a bitch. Hi. Delilah. Oh, I am so sorry for waking you up at this hour. Yeah, bitch. Damn. I'm trying to sleep. But I really have to go back. I thought it would be better here. I've been staying at the old Agnes, but the nightmares, they're keeping me up. I can't do this anymore. I think I'll be safer with all the people. Even though Father Adam. Even though I want to stay. Can we go? What about my dog? Wait a minute. Don't take long. But don't tell me what to do. Okay, how do I drop this? Oh, there we go. Let me pet that dog. Can I pet that dog? Eee! Little puppy. Okay, but why? This dog needs to be set free. Alright, there's the axe. Oh. yeah. Hello? Oh! Oh! Yeah! Oh. Chat, I'm the fucking best, bro. I'm the best. Oh, man. We're gonna have so much for... Is that, like, in my inventory? Nope, I just... Okay. What about that dog? Yeah, what about this dog? I don't want to just leave it here. Alright, little guy, I'll be right back. Damn, bitch. Okay, can we turn this off? Okay, when I leave? Okay, I guess. Let's go. Yeah, come on, get on. Come on, Delilah. Get on. What? Oh, I don't trust this lady. Yeah, I'm not trusting this lady. I don't know what it... put it back. Put it back. I don't know what that is. Alright. You good, Delilah? You remind me of the old ferryman. Why do I look like that? Even though I don't remember much. He was also a man of few words. I still miss him. You sacrificed him. Did you sacrifice him? Chat, why do I look like that, man? Come on. On the road again. Can't wait to get back on... Wait, which way am I going? I don't know which way I'm going. Oh, look, another ferryman. Yeah, any game that you can pet the dog is a good game. Hi, friend. Wait, how do I wave? Oh, ah! Yo, what's up? There you go. Oh, man. I don't like this world. Can we talk about this? I don't like this. I didn't know this was gonna be a water game. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Yeah, I'm not liking this. I'm gonna be honest. Oh. Oh, okay, we're on land. It's fine. Wow. Oh, look, there's more ferrymen. Okay, but what about that big-ass fish, though? Why do they look like that? Why do they look like that, chat? Oh, man, that dude, he's alone in his thoughts. Hello! Oh, look at the dog! Cute! Foghorns drown. Okay. Alright, Delilah, we're here. Look how pretty the water looks. I've missed this place. You go ahead. I'll stay here and watch the water for a while. Well, can you get the fuck off my boat? Damn! Okay. Alright. What's up, dude? Oh, this is Jeremiah! Did you know this town was built around the church? Before that, there were only birch trees here. Now only one remains. And the church, it's older than anything else here, except the fog. For generations, this bell has rang. It meant community. Now it's only this goddamn foghorn. Jeez. He's fun at parties, I bet. Oh, what's this? Birchwood ferry line. No entry without an unauthorized operator. Consults the nearest operator to request access. That's me! Oh, nobody wants to cross. Okay, shit. Oh, my bad. Yo, thanks for the follow. Come on in. Chicken! 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 Oh my god, I love the chicken. What is this? Here you go. I don't think this is what you're supposed to do. It's a bucket, but for what? Alright, let's check this old place out, shall we? What's up, Zando? I always be winning. Chicken jockey. Oh! Hey, what's up? Well, burn in. Alright, game. Don't crash on me. We're in. Friends, I often wonder how it was before the fairies. Loading barrels is already hard enough. But then again, I guess they were simpler times. People didn't push themselves too much. Or the Citadel didn't push them. Okay, everybody's like hella depressed. I think we should be more grateful to the Citadel. Okay, let's go, Frederick. I'm glad someone's happy. They say a new fairy is ugly and loud and all. And it's easy for them to say. They don't have to work their asses off every day. You're right, Frederick. You're right. You're right. Daniel. Hey, you're finally back. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I thought you were Thomas. Oh. Oh, sweet. Old boat storage. Nice. Okay. Find the leather. What is this man doing? Bro, these guys are goofy. What are you doing? I hate the smell of tar, but I love the smell of ale. I often think about quitting, but the ale keeps me going. You know what? At least he's honest. At least he's honest about his addiction. Alright. I'm guessing it's this one with the lights? They got the science man? Alright, this looks like a boat storage. Key used. Let's go. Ah! Okay, chill. Hey. I don't know what to do. Oh my god, I have to talk to it? Hey. Passenger to beyond. Swallow the toll. Hungry is the whale. Oh? Okay. Alrighty. Alright. So, everybody keeps saying I look like this Thomas man. Was that like my dad? Oh, shit! Did you find it? I did! Thank you. It's from my family. I hope I can visit them before the winter rolls around. Alright. Alright, Daniel. Oh wait, that Jeremiah dude's gone. Good day, sir! The Citadel is sending a car to pick up some barrels tonight. We're almost done loading the barrels. There's no rush though. You can go when you want. Let me know when you're ready. I mean, I guess I'm ready. I got nothing else to do over here. Oh, do I sound off? Do I do this now? Oh. Alright, let's skedaddle. Okay, so far so good. Oh. Go to sleep? What about this guy? I thought the car was gonna be here already, but I guess I'll just have to sit and wait. Do you wanna come inside my cabin, bro? Oh, that's not good. Let's check this place around first. What's in here? It's locked. Damn. Okay. So we really don't know who this Thomas man was. Something about a well? I don't know, guys. I'm getting a really bad feeling. And maybe we can't go there yet. Let's just go with what they're telling us. Let's go to sleep. Okay, hi Crow. Be nice to me. All right. Oh wait, I got 2 beds. Okay, Thomas has to be my dad. Okay, let's go night-night. Oh, should light up a fireplace? Okay, it's kind of cold. I don't have any wood. Shit. Alright. Woo! Let's go! Yeah! Let's get it! Let's get it! Let's get it! Alright, I think that's enough, yeah? There you go. You got some firewood? Oh, we got matches? There you go. Alright, now go to bed. Good night. Good night! Hello. Chat, that's blood. That's blood. Okay. Oh my god, is that Thomas? Oh! Wait, that was Delilah! Delilah? Delilah? On Sunday. Wait, how do I know it's Sunday? Oh shit. I need more coffee. Bro, same. Wait. Was that Delilah? Wait a minute. That's bad. Because Delilah said she was having nightmares. Oh, that's not good. Okay. I mean, drink some coffee. Who the fuck is that? Where's my dog? Oh my god, where's my puppy? Okay. Ma'am, do you need to get across? You didn't even ask me. Alright, let me turn this on. What do you mean nobody wants to cross? Oh, old Agnes! Oh, good morning, my dear. I'm going to Jeremiah's mass. You must have heard. But oh dear, I forgot something. There's a coin in my house. Could you please fetch it for... There's a coin in my house? Oh, it's my grandma! Okay, grandmama. Okay, Mima. Hi, Wispy! So this is a demo. It's called Foghorn Drown. Whoa. What? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 crows. I forgot that omen, but I think it's bad. Alright, we're going in Grandmama's house. What the fuck? Mima? I think your pictures of her family? Mima? I think your house is a little haunted. I think I saw Grandpapa. Mysterious coins can't be used as currency. Okay. I have a really bad feeling? Okay. I don't know who that man is. Dude, Wispy, what you been up to? Okay. I got Grandma's coins. Alright, Grandma. Here's your coins. Oh dear, thank you. When I... Wait, Delilah did... Not Dahlia. Delilah did that. When I was young, I used to never cross this lake without a coin, you see? He used to call it the toll. Ever since he's gone, I haven't been using the ferry. Only when I need to. It's nothing like I remember anyways. There used to be just a rowboat here. It was dangerous, you see. Very easy to get lost in the fog. You don't have to change in cables. But we got used to it. That's how it was for generations. I still take the toll. Something we old folks still believe. Your turn now, young man. You shouldn't venture into the fog without your toll. Bad luck otherwise, you see. Thank you. We should go. The mass is starting soon. Wait! I thought it was a coin! I thought it was a coin. Why are we eating coins? What? Oh, dude, Wispy, if you need new games, I got you. Alright. I guess we going. Let it be, let it be. Let's go, Grandma. Okay, so they're eating coins? Okay. What? What the? Hello? I hope we won't be late. But Grandma, I think we got a bigger problem than that. What? Am I supposed to... Cricket? Cricket? I don't know what I'm doing. Oh God. Something's happening? You guys, I don't know what to do. Oh. Okay. I did both sides. Can we go? Oh no. Grandmama? Wait, what's this? Do I need to fix something? I don't know. This is like my second day. I don't know. Grandmama, you're not helping me. Okay, so it showed this. Do I need to like... I don't know. Is there like other things I need to do? Chat, I don't know what to do. Maybe we just gotta keep going. Maybe we gotta get it revved up. Gotta get it revved up. Come on. Come on. Gotta get it revved up. Revved up. We're not going. Okay. They didn't tell me what to do. Use item. I hope we won't be late. Yeah, me too, Grandma. chat. I didn't read the manual. Chat, I didn't read the manual. I did not read the manual. This is bad. I did not read the manual. Chat, this is bad. See, I can only do it. What's this thing? You think the wrench on the wheel? What the fuck? Oh! Okay. Oh. What? How did you get that? Oh, what the heck? Dart, you're a genius. Hurry up, boy. The mass is starting soon. What will the others think if I am late? Okay, I'm sorry. Grandma, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm going as fast as I can. Go. Yeah, the aesthetic of this game is really pretty. That's what really drew me in, to be honest. Oh, alright, let's go, Grandma. Hurry. Oh, okay, shut the fuck up. Okay, I'm going to the church. Oh, Carl! Going to Jeremiah's mass. I was going to go fish. That bell is gonna scare all the fish. Stupid church. Alright, Carl. Whatever you say, good luck fishing. Now, Grandmama, you got mad at me for being slow. Pick your ass up. Let's go. We gotta go to mass. Okay, hello. Listen to the mass. Delilah, did you hear that song? Yes, I hear it in my dreams too. This bitch crazy. Oh, that's not good. Chat, I'm scared. Oh God! In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost, welcome all. Why is it red? Even though I'm happy to see everyone here today, as we all know, we gathered for an ill reason. Father Adam's sickness. I bet Jeremiah. I bet he did something to Father Adam. I never thought I would be standing here at the shrine. Yeah. You say that, but you're happy. Look, I don't trust Jeremiah. Hi, Dark Disciple. And I wish I didn't have to. You're lying. And Father Adam could be with us today. But I shall do my duty and protect our community. Only together we can overcome these trying times. But his situation doesn't look good. But I'm not sure if I should say this. But I know many of us are thinking the same thing. His condition seemed awfully similar to the Scrooge of 17? Himself one of the few witnesses remaining of the Scourge? Scourge! Voices concerned to me while he could still talk. He was afraid the Scourge may return. What is the Scourge? Is that the eel? Therefore, I would personally advise all residents to not leave town. At least not until the doctor arrives. If he ever does arrive, the citadel cares for us all. Now let us pray. There's something evil, sinister about this church. For Father Adam, for those that we lost, for those that remain. God have mercy on our souls. I don't trust this. What is that sound? The sound! Carl! The shore! The shore! I just vision and quickly come to the shore. Bro, what the heck? What is happening? What? What is happening? Wait, where'd they go? Carl? I don't want to go in the water. I'm scared. Wait, where'd they go? Did they go that way? What? Oh, there they are. What is going on? Is that a man? What is... Oh, hell no. I can't do this. God, I have to get out of here. What is happening? Oh! It's a dead body. This is bad. Really bad. Carl, over here! There is a body in the water. I need help quickly. Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay. I'm right here. Carl, you can stop waving. He's too heavy. Help me drag him. Okay. Oh! Carl, are you gonna fucking help me, bro? Okay, Carl! Dumb idiot! Okay, wait! Was this the guy I was waving at? Carl, you better stop. Oh, Carl gonna get eaten. He's gonna get got. Okay. Okay. God help us. This is an act of the devil! This can't be happening. Not the devil. And the fucking foghorn again. The fairy must go. Wait, there's so much happening. That's the other fairy man! Oh no! It's okay, we have my coin. Chat, I don't know what to do. We're just gonna leave? What? Wait, where's Dahlia? Or Delilah. I keep saying Dahlia. Her name's fucking Delilah. Hey there, Delilah. Ma'am, I'm coming. Okay, Delilah! Please, I have to get out of here. I knew I shouldn't have returned here. It's just like in my dreams. It's him. I felt it at the, sirloin. It's the church. I have to get away from the church. I saw all this. I have to go away. Far away. I don't want to die. Okay. Wait, I'm scared? Is she like a bad omen? I know, I was seeing a lot of bad things happening. Okay. Delilah? Okay, don't kill me now. Look, I'm just a ferryman. I'm just trying to make an honest living. If you snap, I'm gonna throw you overboard. Ah! 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 Oh no, one more thing. Oh god, she snapped. Please. You know that tradition, right? If we keep us safe out here, just in case. Oh. Oh, yep, eat the What? Oh, why are you looking at me? Is it because it wakes you up? It also makes you sleep. That which lights the path will be your burden. The rejected will see it through and be the cause. You don't have to understand. The answers are the same as they've always been. It was always about the hourglass. What the f... Okay. Chat, I don't know what to do. You guys? Ha! Was that a dead body? wait. Oh. Wait, I'm not understanding what's going on. Okay. Wait. Huh? Oh, it's so cold. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I think those mysterious cookie things aren't... there's something weird going on now. Superstitions. Ah! Oh! No! Well, I found the dog. No! Oh my god! What? No, the puppy! No, dude, no! Dude, what a demo! I'm actually depressed now. Thank you, game. Oh my god. Wait, I'm in awe, dude. I'm in awe. Cause like, wait a damn minute. Okay, hang on. So like, I'm so confused. I saw the inspiration for this. Would have not pegged them. This looks like a lot more like Lovecraft. I don't know. There's a lot of things going on, like dead bodies, superstitions, some folklore. I don't know. Dude, we will be playing this. 10 out of 10, dude.